The latest job numbers shows the pandemic costing the U.S. over 20 million jobs and forcing countless workers to apply for unemployment. But as KSBY News reporter Asia Gore joins us live now in San Luis Obispo, there are some tax implications and details to know about. Good morning, Asia.
That's right. Good morning, Dustin. Congress passed a measure allowing America's unemployed to receive up to $600 per week in assistance. But unlike the $1,200 stimulus checks we received, the unemployment checks are taxable.
They want to get back. They're not going to stand for it. They want our country open. I want our country open too.
Until the economy reopens, many Americans are buying groceries and paying bills with unemployment checks. But those who don't plan ahead could face a bill from the government next year.
The federal withholding is not being withheld from the payments unless you volunteer for it.
Misty Little is an enrolled agent in Grover Beach. She says unlike the automatic tax deductions taken from our paychecks, unemployment checks require an extra step to ensure you don't owe money later.
There is a form called the W-4V that does allow them to withhold 10% on your behalf.
Though tax obligations depend on your personal tax bracket, Little says 10% should protect you from fines next year.
So if they owe over $1,000, they could also face penalties and interest from the IRS.
But for some families, the belt is getting tighter, and every dollar of the unemployment benefits is critical to survival.
Some families need that money now. That's the scary part about this whole situation, is that a lot of people need that money just to put food on the table.
There is a bit of relief. Families that can't make tax payments in full each quarter can avoid penalties by paying at least 90% of taxes owed. And the full amount of taxes due must be paid by April 15th. That's tax day next year. And if this is your first time filing unemployment, be aware that there is an additional form to complete when you're filling out your taxes. Live in San Luis Obispo, I'm Asia Gore, KSBY News.
Good information there. Thank you, Asia. And July 15th is the new filing deadline for the 2019 tax season.